If your stairs are wobbly and you're walking up and down them and they're shaking all over the place, this video is probably for you. I put some new 2x6s on here and it really helped the shake. You're going to get messy though. You're going to be using your circular saw. So get ready for it. It's hot out today too. So look at that jank. That's, you know, the railings are a little disconnected, but that's how shaky it was. So I'm thinking if I put some 2x6s in here on both sides, knock this little side plate out. I don't know who made this deck, but I'm watching you. This is what these little side casings looked like when I took them off. They're all rotted out. All it does is hold the moisture in to your stringers and your stairs, your steps. It's the dumbest design I've ever seen in my life. So I had to go get some carriage bolts for this. These are what carriage bolts look like. This is the setup that I used with a nut on the end. So make sure they're level. I chopped the top corner off on these 2x6s so they'd fit up onto my railing. And I'm just trying to stop this shake for now. I do have to put another 6x6 or a 4x4 under the stairs to kind of hold them up sturdy. I know that, and I got to bury them it like posts into the ground below the frost line. So this is in the meantime. I just want to stop it from shaking so dang much when I'm going up and down the stairs. Wife is really getting worried about it. Get your big old drill bit and drill on through because you got to get that carriage bolt through there too. And I had to pound a few with the hammer, but I'd rather them be snug than wobbly in there because you do want to start to add that structure. You want to give it that firm feel. So the carriage bolts, I think all the hardware cost me around $20 bucks. The wood cost me, oh boy, I should have kept the receipts on those bad boys. This whole thing cost me less than 50 bucks, I want to say. But if you see what I'm talking about on the side here, I'll put an arrow on the video here. But the casings on the stringer just held all the water in, so it rotted out the railings were all rotted out. So I had to pull them off. I just knocked them with the hammer. You can see on the other side one snapped right off. So if this is you, if you got some janky stairs, just know, a little sneak peek, it does make it a lot better. So since I was doing the bottoms, I did the tops too. I went to the top of the stairs. I ended up, hit it with a hammer, knock out a few of these spindles. And then once you get the spindles off that, I'm just calling them a casing. They slapped them on both sides of the stringers. I don't know what else you'd call them. But then I cut it with the circular saw, which you'll see in a minute how I took care of that. And then I could drill through on the stringers and add this really heavy duty, what do I call this spindle on there? It's not really a spindle. Secure board. Just call it that. Again, if you're new to my channel, it's Let's Do This with Evan. Real people using real tools in real time. I'm not going to make this to spec. It's not going to be the prettiest thing you ever saw, but you're here, you're going to save some money, and you're going to do it in a way that everybody's going to be happy. So that already is a lot sturdier. I'm going to have to tighten those carriage bolts a lot more and do it to the other side. And then I do put two on the top also, and that really helps. So you get up on the ladder. Once you're done cutting those spindles, just run the circular saw up there. I come around the backside and hit it with a maul. Really knock that casing out of there. Here we go. There goes the spindles, and those were all rotted because, again, this thing just held all the water into the side of the stairs. It's the dumbest thing. So what I'm going to have to do some weekend is, with a hammer or pry bar, gently pull all the spindles away from that casing and then knock it off and then put the spindles back onto the side of the stringers because I'm so done with this thing. I just replaced all my deck stairs last summer. Summer before that, I replaced all my decking. This is what that looked like. I mean, there's nothing there. So dumb. Should have lasted a lot longer than what it did. This deck was about 20 years old. It looks like it's about 50 years old. And the paint all's just coming off because it's all just wet all the time. So this is putting the 2x6 in place. I pre-drilled, so I push that carriage bolt through. Now I just go around and tighten it. And then we're going to test that out. But, I mean, still an ugly set of stairs. Got to repaint it, but that's already a lot more sturdy. Wife is happy with it. I'm happy with it. Get us through a few more summers. Like I said, I'll be knocking those side casings. Oh, look at that. Just looks so dumb. I don't know why the builder did that. And then had to take the gate off, put the gate back on. This was not a 2-minute project, guys. This was like half my day on a Saturday. Plus, I had to run to Home Depot and back. Thankfully, I got everything in one trip. But if you like projects like this, things you can do at home that you don't need special tools for, just regular people doing regular things, will save you some money. The dog approves. Talk to you later.